and welcome to Sounds English with me, Betty. Today's expression is a golden handshake. A golden handshake. He was given a golden handshake. It means when someone in a company or business, usually a high-ranking, well-paid member of staff, like a CEO or director, ends their employment with the company, and they are given a huge amount of money when they leave, that is called a golden handshake. For example, the managing director of our company is retiring. They have a huge pension and they were also given a golden handshake. I'm sure their retirement is going to be extremely comfortable. So to recap, a golden handshake is when you are given a huge amount of money, like a bonus, when you leave a company. Very usually for senior members of staff. Everybody else, here's the door. So I hope that made sense. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And even better, please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you here every day for another extremely useful high frequency English word, phrase or expression. Thank you. Bye bye.